afternoon. I'll quickly summarize the whole thing in English, right? Now, regarding the 2017 budget proposals, as you know, after the trade union action, His Excellency the President arranged a meeting with the Health Minister and the Finance Minister together at the Finance Ministry on the 1st. So the Executive Committee of the GMOA along with the President and the Secretary went there and met the two ministers, and at that discussion both ministers, the Health Minister Dr. Rajitha Senarathne and the Honorable Finance Minister Mr. Ravi Karunanayaka both accepted that the salaries and other allowances of professionals in government service is not adequate, and that it should be increased to attract more and more professionals into the government service, not only doctors, the other professionals as well. And regarding the tax exemption of allowances, the Honorable Finance Minister said that the tax exemptions cannot be granted for several categories of individuals, and that there should be a uniform tax structure, and that will simplify things. So instead of that, he proposed to increase the extra duty payments and the other allowances of doctors and other professionals, and for that he asked the Health Ministry, actually the Honorable Minister, to forward a proposal to increase the allowances and extra duty for doctors in keeping with the times, and that he would consider that in a positive light. So we are grateful for that development. And regarding the exorbitant tax for the second employment, that is at 10% and 20%, again the Finance Minister agreed that it is not fair by the professionals who are in the government service, and that the private practice fee will be considered as a professional fee and will be subjected to the normal pay tax structure. And about our other demands, he mentioned that it's a government policy and it's a policy matter, and the policy decisions has to be taken, and that he himself cannot overturn those decisions. So in a nutshell, he said that it's better to increase the allowances and extra duty rather than giving tax exemptions, and that is a government policy, right? And so because of that, we will be meeting because there are still some of the demands which has not been met, mainly the pension issue, the abolishing of the existing pension scheme, and inviting the private sector to open up wards and labs in the hospitals, and the insurance scheme for the school children. So to discuss these issues, we will be meeting our General Committee on the 8th, and then there we will be formulating further actions and action plan. And we have written to the President, the Honorable His Excellency the President, regarding the outcome of the meeting, and about the issues that were not resolved there, and we have asked for a discussion to discuss these matters with His Excellency the President, and then we can formulate an action regarding our concerns. And there is one other issue regarding a gazette which was published on the 25th of November to establish an agency to formulate policy and facilitation for economic development. So our members have voiced their opinion, and they have made representations to us to look into this matter, and we are also going to meet the President regarding this issue as well, to discuss our issues and to express our concerns.